Good morning, student. In part second of chapter, France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. Students, it is part second. Today's point is the reign of terror. What was the reign of terror? The period from 1793 CE to 1794 CE is referred to as the reign of terror. This policy was adopted by Maximilien Robespierre. Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. All those people whom he saw as being enemy of republic, as example, clergy, nobility, a member of the other political parties, even a member his own parties didn't agree with his model, were arrested, imprisoned and tried by a revolutionary tribunal, and when court found them guilty, they were guillotined. What is guillotine? Guillotine? The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded, and it was named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented this device, guillotine. Very important question it is asked. And what was the policy during the reign of terror? Robespierre government followed a policy fixing a maximum limitation, maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed, and peasants were forced to transport their grains to the market in cities and sell at it prices fixed by the government, and the expensive white flour was forbidden, and equality bread made up of wheat whole was required to eat to every citizen. And equality was also sought to be practiced through form of speeches and address. Means traditional titles, sir and madam, were removed. All people of France was called citizens, citoyen, citoyenne. Churches were shut down, and his buildings were turned into offices and barracks of the army. Children, Robespierre followed his policy very relentlessly. Even a member of his own party demanded to moderate this policy, and now finally he was convicted by a court in July 1794, arrested, and the next day he sent to guillotine. Next point, I have to teach you are directory rules in France. Fall down of the Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle class to seize the power. New constitution were introduced which denied the right to vote to the non-propertied section of society. This constitution also introduced two elected legislative council, and this council appointed a directory. What is directory? An executive made up of 5 members was called directory, and it was meant against the concentration of power in one hand as Jacobin governments. However, there were clashes between member of directory and the legislative council. This political instability paved the way for rise of military dictators Napoleon Bonaparte. Similarly, likewise, in France, in Europe, changes were occurred by the different government, but the ideals of French Revolution, liberty, equality before the law, fraternity, remained an inspiring source of inspiration to political revolution activity in France and in rest of Europe, in the rest of world, even our country in India in the following century. So this is the topics. Chapter is completed. 2 points I have taught you today: the reign of terror and the directory rules. Important questions are asked from this point. Now time of homework. First question: what was a directory? Why was it removed from France? Second question: describe the reign of terror. Third: what was guillotine? How was it used? And fourth: how would you explain the rise of Napoleon? And last question: how did France become a republic? Thank you.